Hello everyone, welcome to our next lesson. Today we're looking at commutative frequency graphs. And typically IB gives two kinds of questions when they're dealing with commutative frequency graphs. One, they give you data and you have to create it, or they give you the commutative frequency graph and you have to analyze it. So we'll look at both types of questions. So the first one on the left, it shows you some data. The score, let's say on a test from 10 to 20%, there was 2 people that got it. From 20 to 30%, 5 people got it, etc., etc. If you wanted to draw a commutative frequency graph, what you have to do is, the first number is 2, so commutative frequency. And then the next one is, well, that's between 10 and 20, there was 2 people. The next one is, there was 5 between 20 and 30, so in total we have 7 people that are less than 30. And then we have 14 people which are less than 40. And then we have 35. Sorry about my spelling or my penmanship. Then another 36, so that's 71. Then another 40, so 111. Then 27 more, 138. 9 more, so 147, and then 3 more, so 150. So there's a total of 150 people that did the test, or whatever this is. And if you were drawing a commutative frequency graph, I'm going to do it very small. So there is 0 people that got 10 and lower. Okay, so we start at 10. And then at 20, there was 2 people, so 2 people would be here, so you put a dot. Then at 30, there was 7 people. Then at 40, there was 14 people, and it goes up, 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 and it looks like that. Now when you're creating this, normally you do it on graphing paper and you make it nice and neat so that you're able to actually analyze it with good detail. So what I'm going to do is use another example where one has been created. And then we'll look at the type of questions that you would get if you're given a commutative frequency graph. So here on the right, we've got a commutative frequency graph that's given. First of all, you should look at it and you would notice that the commutative frequency is on the left-hand side while your information is on the x-axis. Other stuff. Your top point is 60. That tells me that there's 60 of whatever it is. If this is the height of plants or whatever, there was 60 plants that we're looking at. And therefore, if we're trying to find the median, well, the median would be the 30th person. So that would be down here. Now, sometimes people put it on the test, they put 30 as your median, but that's not your median. Your median is your 30th person, but you have to actually go across and then down to find what the median height is. And for this example, the median height, the median, is equal to 7. Some other kinds of questions that typically come up, interquartile range. So the interquartile range is equal to quarter 3 minus quarter 1. So quarter 3, that'd be your 75th percentile. Well, that would be the number 45. So 3/4 of 65 is 45. And we go down and it looks like, I don't know, about 8.2. And quarter 1 is 15. Go across and down, it looks like 5.9. And that gives you the interquartile range, 2.3. Some other kinds of questions that you would get. You could get questions like, how many are higher than 6 centimeters? So if I went to 6 centimeters, going up and across, how many are higher? Well, these are all higher because these all go to this graph, which goes to this part, and all of these are higher. So how many? So if I look at it, getting a little messy, but if 16 goes over, let's say there is 17 that's lower. So 17 are lower. So how many are higher? Well, out of 60, that would mean 43 are higher. Other kinds of questions, what percentage are lower than, I don't know, 11 centimeters? So 11 centimeters, what percentage are lower than 11 centimeters? Well, there is about 56 out of 60 are lower. So that's your percentage. Well, that's actually a fraction. You can change it to percentage by multiplying by 100%. Hope that helps. Have a good day.